Hello guys, today I have the Yamaha earbuds and I'm going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues. So, at first you need to remember that your earbuds can be factory resetted. So, pardon me, the first thing that you should do is a factory reset. The factory reset process is quite long, so check out our video about it, about the factory reset, how to factory reset these earbuds, and you will be good to go. If it didn't help you, you need to restart your phone, so turn off your phone and put both earbuds into your earbuds case. Wait 1 minute, I think. Turn on your device and turn on your earbuds by taking them out of the case. Everything should be working fine. If it still doesn't work fine, you need to charge your earbuds up to 100%. And after that, you need to try to connect. If it still doesn't work, you need to contact device support because your earbuds may be broken. Goodbye.